Hello everyone, we are here in Sanat where the sunset meets the ocean and the cliff. When the sunset meets the ocean and the cliffs, it creates a magical and mesmerizing spectacle with the golden light of the setting sun washing over the rugged landscape, casting warm hues on the water and the rocks. This moment is a beautiful interplay of light and shadow, where the warmth of the sky meets the cool blues of the sea and the steadfastness of the cliffs, offering a breathtaking view of nature's beauty. So this is Sanat. Yan guys, napakaganda ng cliff. Ang taas-taas na po namin dyan. So we are on the top of the cliff. So you can see guys, the waves down sa baba. Napaka-blue talaga nung ocean. So this is to remind you that we are in the middle of Mediterranean Sea. So this is Sanat guys. Super extra beautiful. Napakataas ng cliff na to guys. Tingnan nyo oh. Meron doon mga nagde-date pa oh. Mga nagmumuni-muni. Nagpapalipas ng sunset. Yan, mga lovers siguro yung mga yun. So yan guys, napaka-relaxing talaga pag dito kayo mag-sunset. Napakaganda dito. Napakatahimik and napaka-peaceful. Yan, yung mga waves lang dyan. Yan, inaaway nila yung mga rocks. Yan guys. Yan na nga. This is the sunset. When the sunset meets the ocean and the cliff. Yan guys. So just imagine, napakataas namin. Thank you for watching. Bye!